This video will walk you through an actual weekly practice, one of the practice options that you might choose, and what it looks like, and how I want you to grab or capture that you've completed it to submit it to the Submit Practice Here assignment. Okay, so when you click on one of these links, it will take you to a CK12 page. So this is where signing up for CK12 account was really important. And it's actually this piece that was important for you to have a class code and sign up to a class, so that I can verify, even if we get confused about how to submit the evidence of having done the practice, I can see your outcome within the CK12 website. So I have not actually chosen any of these practices to open, because in my view, once I open them, the view is totally weird. So I want you to see it from scratch, from start, what it looks like. So if I were to click on a practice that is listed in this weekly practice area, it will take me to a page like this, where it's called History of Chemistry. I've randomly picked one. This is not one that I've assigned for you. And you'll see just a page like this. It'll give you some extra resources if you're interested down below to just learn more about it, I guess. But hopefully we have learned something about whatever practice I'm assigning you to begin with. So we're just going to click Start Practicing. And in some time, you will start to see some random questions. Now, we have not studied this. This is History of Chemistry. I did no lesson on that. So don't get like nervous. Hey, we didn't study that. No, this is just for example. It says multiple choice. Who invented the battery? I actually don't know the answer here, but I'm going to guess Michael Faraday. And I'm going to click check it. And it says, that wasn't right. And it reminds you about growth mindset, that every time you make a mistake, you can learn from it. So now we know it's not Michael Faraday. Let's try again. I know that batteries and electricity or something there is measured in volts. So I'm going to try that. Volta. And I got it right. So like I'm always telling you guys, there's a reason behind why you choose what you choose when I ask you to explain it to me. Chances are on your second try, you might do okay. And we hit next. So now up here, you'll notice it says you got 1 of 10. You're going to continue this until you get all 10 questions right. And your skill level will be adjusted as you answer the question on this particular topic. So this question says, who's generally credited with developing the process of using heat to prevent the growth of microorganisms and preserve milk and wine? I'm going to say Louis Pasteur. Aren't I smart? Now we have a brain streak. Notice that my skill level has changed. I have this little gauge. It says I'm exploring this content. I got 2 out of 10 correct, but I did get 1 wrong. The chemistry of living things and living systems created a new combined field in science known as biochemistry. So there's going to be some fill in the blanks as well. Check it. Correct. Now I'm developing. The more correct you get in a row, the more your meter will move. It's totally fine if your meter doesn't move and you are always at the exploring level. I'm not assigning this so that you get correct answers. I'm assigning this so that you get extra exposure and constant review of old assignments, old topics. Here we have which of the following is a gas discovered by Joseph Priestley. No idea. We'll say radon. Wrong. Try again. Yeah, okay. And I'm going to try to speed through here. I have no idea the answer to this. We'll just continue. Nothing is impossible. That's true. I'm going to do a bunch of guessing here. I only have 5 minutes to share my screen, so I'm hoping I can get to the end. Father of modern chemistry. There are so many. I might call him Niels Bohr. Bummer. How about Antoine? You bet. Did conservation of mass. Now, I have 30 seconds left on my video, so I'm going to show you another video of how I'm going to capture. Once I get 10 correct, I'm going to capture that final screen and submit that to the course. So you can see kind of how practice is going here. It's all multiple choice, some fill in the blank. Down in the left-hand corner, you might have seen, hey, you might want to check out this link for extra help. Consider that too.